Hey man, it is officially time to unbox this delayed W. And before we get any further, I need you guys to comment down below. Let me know what some of those pairs you have on your GOAT watch list, your StockX watch list, your eBay watch list. What is something you are really trying to secure into the collection? Super interested knowing. Without further ado, man, let's go ahead and check out this delayed W, man. Let's get into it. Yo, your boy, the Vintage, is back. We back with some more content. We have some sneakers to unbox. You guys know I can't be gone too long without give you guys some good content. Y'all here for the good vibes. Y'all here for the good spirits. If you are new here, you already know what I'm gonna ask you to do, man. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, run them likes up. We gotta get the likes up. If y'all do nothing else, I know y'all watching probably on TVs, your phones, your iPads. Takes 2 seconds, bro. Take 2 seconds to hit that like button. We have some good stuff on the way, and I'm super excited about the future. You know what I'm saying? I'm super interested in seeing how things are going to transpire here on the channel, and I want you guys to join the journey. So again, sub up, notification bell, run the likes up, and follow me over on Instagram. I'm gonna try to start incorporating some more sneaker content over on my Instagram, get that back flowing, and you know, simultaneously drop some content for you guys. And yeah, all that good stuff will be greatly appreciated, man. And y'all know we got the Rambo knife, bruh. Shouts out to whoever named this the Rambo knife. I know it's not like nothing too crazy. We all know Rambo. We all know he had a crazy dagger throughout the entire movie. But somebody like 2-3 years ago called this the Rambo knife, and I've been running with it ever since. So shouts out to you. We have the Rambo knife for these right here. Y'all know we only pull out the Rambo knife when we got some heat to unbox. And yes sir, let's get into it again. A super delayed W, because I said I'm gonna get them, bro. I was like, I'm going to buy them. It's just a matter of time of, I guess, when I was gonna do it. I didn't think the resale was gonna do nothing too crazy, but it did drop a little bit, bro. It did drop a little bit. This was $1,000 plus sneaker, and I waited. Almost something similar to the brick after bricks. I waited for that resale to drop. The sneaker community is not what it used to be 5-6 years ago, so you can wait a little bit and save some money. And these dropped tremendously on the resale side of things, and we about to check them out. As soon as I show y'all the box, y'all gonna know what we got. But it was much needed. These had to come to the collection, and I started to have FOMO. I'll say, you know what, we got to secure them. And check it out, bro. Check out the box. You guys see what we have in store today. I had to do it, bro. You know I had to do it this year. Like I said, I'm only gonna get like, you know, 10-15 pairs, but I'm gonna be for sure to get those 10-15 pairs and pass up on a lot of stuff that I don't really need in the collection in my point of view. But we do have no other than the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG SP white, and I got them in assertional. Did I say assertional? I don't even know what I just said. A personal size 9.5. Y'all see what we got, bro? Let's check it out. I want to put a table. Like, actually, let's do that. Let me pull the table around real quick. That way, oh, hold on now. I think I'm stuck up somewhere. Let me get this table around here so I can actually, you know, set some of the things inside the box next to me. But yeah, let's get into it, bro. Nice flip. Okay, it doesn't flip out. You just flip it open right here on the side, and then you actually have a little pull tab right here. Got the book. Okay, this is what the all the hype was about. You got the book with all the sketches from Virgil that he did. Thought that was really cool. Try to get y'all some B-roll on that. And let's pull out the sneakers, bro. Come on, it's time to come. Oh, see how the GOAT tag. You know, everything official tissue over here. And let's pull this out. Really cool box. Loving the presentation on this one right here. And without further ado, we finally have them in the collection. The Alaska Virgil Abloh archive, guys. Now I know I'm not the only one that was kind of on the fence of like when you should get it, should you wait, just pretty much when is the best time. And I felt like now was the best time to get them, because even after the crazy price drop from that $1,000, it dropped to about like 500 bucks, you know what I'm saying? But I was able to get these for around 4 something. Let me check. I want to say I paid around 400 for them, and it came up to like 480 altogether. But I'm gonna pull up GOAT real quick just so I know I'm not talking outside of my neck. You feel me when I'm talking about these? But yeah, actually, I did get them for 560. So I think these are going for around like 600 or something. But then I got a notification from the GOAT that the prices dropped to that 560 price range. I said, you know what? I'm not even about to wait. I'm not even gonna put a bid in for like 520, 540. I'm just going to pull the trigger and get them, because I do think these will go up a good bit. I think they will go up a good bit once we get a little bit later in the year. But man, in hand, these are super clean. This is clean, bro. I am so excited about these. And again, I said I'm going to have to cop these in the collection this year. This is on that list, bro. It's on that list of that 10, 15 that I really want it. And I don't think the pictures does these any justice, bro. The pictures do these no justice at all. You got the air on the side, you got the super dope you know, of course, I guess you would say distressed Nike swoosh on the side. You got the exposed ankle portion around there. You got some crazy materials, bro. Crazy materials. If y'all don't know, I had like a super huge issue with my UNC off-white ones when I did get them. But again, that's what I always wanted. I love the deconstruction that, you know, Virgil did for this pair, and I am a huge, I guess you could say, Hypebeast for it, bro, because I love how they deconstructed these guys. And yeah, these will be going on feet very soon. Going on feet very soon. And this actually might be a double up, not gonna lie. And the reason I say it might be a double up, because I do want to keep a pair super crispy. Like, I want a crispy pair for the future. Again, one, I think these will go up in resale value. So again, if I need to sell them, I can sell them. But I want to get a crispy pair because I feel like I'm going to be doing some damage to these joints right here, man. So real quick, wanted to grab my UNC off-whites. You guys can see right here. Still haven't thrown these on feet. If you guys don't know, man, recently I've been on a totally different path, so I haven't really been going nowhere. When I say I literally been going to the gym, work, and home, that's all I've been doing. I haven't popped out nowhere. Usually going on different trips and stuff like that. For the last 6 months, I have not been outside of my house. So it's only been gym, work, and house. So again, some of these shoes I did get this year have not touched the pavement yet. But trust me, bro. Just trust me. This summer, bro. This summer, we about to have a blast. We're going to have a blast. But to add to the Virgil collection I do have currently, again, we have these, the UNCs, and then we have these Air Jordan 1 Virgil Alaska archives. I love them, bro. I'm really liking them. They're super crispy, and I do not think that pictures do these any justice, man. You got the purple laces, you got some black laces, and you have this, like, I want to say like ice white, ice blue lace feature that kind of matches some of the makeup of the upper of this Air Jordan 1. And if you guys do have these in the collection, you still have, you know, you're on the fence about them, you about to pull the trigger, you're waiting to pull the trigger, y'all let me know. I'm super interested in seeing how y'all feel about these because unlike the brick after bricks, I do think that the hype kind of stayed really, I guess you say there. Like the hype was definitely there even after release for the Virgils, even after all the W's went out, even after the resale tanked, it did go up slightly. And again, I've got them for 560. So again, I paid to play, but I do think these will eventually rise again here in the near future, bro. So I do think and I hope that eventually we get some more Virgil archives. Like, give us the Chicagos, give us the Shadows, give us, you know, all those OG colorways. Throw the Virgil archive, you know, kind of deconstruction method to it, and I think it will be an instant hit, bro. I honestly think it'll be an instant hit. The Chicago Off-White 10, we never get it again. That collab is dead. That collab is over. So y'all have to do something to please us sneakerheads, because I need the Chicago Off-Whites in the collection, bro. So again, you guys let me know how y'all feel about them. Do you think it kind of, you know, met that hype? Did it meet your expectations when you talk about the Alaska, originally known as the Off-White Alaskas? Now it is, or actually it was like a European exclusive, like a European Off-White, and then you guys know that Virgil and Off-White kind of broke ties. And then we went to the VAA, the Virgil archive. So again, did it meet your expectations? Did it meet the hype? I love them. I had to get them. Super excited, bro. Like, everything about these is crispy. And again, a double up might be on the way, if I'm being honest. But yeah, guys, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, hit that like button. Every single like counts, trust me. And again, make sure you guys go follow me over on Instagram. It'll be linked down below. Spam them likes, drop some comments. You guys know I respond to every single comment. And with all that out the way, we got some more content on the way, and I think we're going to do the full review and breakdown over these guys right here. The 12 Bravos. I'm still a huge fan of these right here, man. But again, love y'all, appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.